welcome back fellas into this new video of TechExpress. So the Binance Web3 Wallet is a keyless self-custody wallet that lives inside your main Binance application. If you've been traded into the Binance exchange but now you wanted to swap unlisted tokens, buy NFTs, or join a DeFi pool, you might need an actual Web3 wallet. So Binance will make the key list so you get the security of self-custody without the stress of losing the seed phrase. So the first thing I wanted to do is to sign in directly into my Binance account. Inside here, I wanted to open the application and tap into the option that says wallet, which usually appears directly inside here at the bottom right. At the top of the screen, you will see a toggle. Slide it from the exchange. I'm going to go for here my wallet. There we go. Usually, once again, you might be seeing that here it will be appearing the actual element that says slide this from exchange to web number 3. If you don't see this, what you can do, for example, is to actually create an actual wallet. So let's say, for example, here into my search bar, I wanted to enter web3 and see if this one appears directly into my actual airdrop. Now, sometimes the Web3 wallet it's only available through the actual application, and you might be saying that it appears the Web3 wallet. And you can set up the Web3 wallet by creating an actual passcode and securely storing your recovery phrase. So we want to ensure that you have the BNB into your Web3 wallet, and if it doesn't appear directly inside, let's say for example in this case for example the Binance application, what you can do to try it out by using an actual application of Binance in order to actually continue. Otherwise this actually just won't work. Right, so next thing, for example, is that this is the MPC margin. It creates 3 pieces of the actual one elements here. One is on your phone and one goes into the cloud backup. You need 2 out of 3 to access your actual money. To take that in mind, of course, what you want to do is to use the actual application. Now, the critical cloud backup is that your wallet is created, but it's not set yet. I mean, not safe. So to make this safe, if you lose your phone right now, your money is gone. So you wanted to type the red backup now banner that usually appears into the upper side, and you can do to choose your cloud services to store your third key sure. Now you wanted to pay attention there, though it's not appearing directly inside here to my in this case my own Binance account. Usually it's going to be really important that Binance did not store any of the correct passcodes. So if this gives you a recovery passcode, you want to take that in mind, because you can't restore your wallet into a new phone. You want to write this down and put this directly into a saved place, a spot, right? So the funding to your Web3 wallet, now that you have your wallet already been getting started, is that to use the wallet you needed a gas fees like BNBs or the Ethereum. Usually I look out for the option that says the transfers, and you can move assets directly from your Binance exchange account to your Web3 wallet instantly. You want to make sure that your assets directly the right network for low fees is BNB Smart Chain nowadays. Now you can explore the apps. Now you're ready to tap discover to see a list of verified the apps you can find into this left section. For example, there's the Pancake Swap, there's a Uniswap, there's the Web3 games directly inside the Binance application. That's totally optional. So the actual Binance gives each D app a secure code. You want to always check this before connecting your wallet to avoid your drainer side. So basically this is how we can actually use this element to get started, guys. So make sure that you're using the right application directly inside Binance. If not, this just won't be able to let you access to the Web3 section. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully it was very useful information for you. Just in case you have any questions, you can let us know into the comments below. Thank you once again for watching, guys, and well, hopefully we can all see you next time, guys. See you soon.